Hello everyone, as you can see here my Windows is not yet activated, and once your Windows is not activated you cannot access some of the settings. For example, in the personalize you cannot change background colors, themes, as the Windows or the Microsoft will ask to activate your Windows first. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate your Windows machine. Okay, so first open your favorite browser and then search for KMS client. Click on the first options. We have the key management services. Click on this one and scroll in the bottom. You can see here the different Windows operating system. But now we're going to look for the Windows 10 because I'm running my Windows 10 machine. So here is the Windows 10 Pro. We have the Pro and Pro workstation. So how you're going to know the version of your Windows? Just click on the keyboard, your Windows key, and then R, and then type WinBer. Click on this one, and then here is my Windows machine version. I have Windows 10 Pro, so I'm going to look for the Windows 10 Pro. Here's the Windows 10 Pro. Now after that, open your CMD on your start menu, type the CMD, and then run as administrator. Just click yes, and then type this following command. Type slmgr space / and then IPK and the product key for your Windows machine. So I have Windows 10 Pro again. I'm going to copy this one. Control C or right click on your keyboard or your mouse, copy, and then just paste it here. So Control B and hit enter. Installed product key. Okay, successful. Now type again slmgr / skms space s8 dot uk dot to. Hit enter. So key management service set to this skuk.to. So I'm creating this video March 2022. So the server might change, depends on the year or in the date. So but for now it is the latest and it is working. So the last command that you're going to type is slmgr space / and then ATO. So hit enter and let's wait for some time. So as you can see here, activating Windows R Professional Edition product activated successfully. Okay, let's close this one. Let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, the watermark from the Microsoft is now gone. Let's try to access our settings on the personalize. Okay, now I am able to change the background. Okay, so it is working. As you can see. Okay guys, again, that's it for this video, and if this video helps you, you may leave a comment, thumbs up, and you can also subscribe to this channel because there's more uh, tutorial about the technical world. Okay, so that's it, and thank you.